Good morning, guys. I've just got back from the store. I didn't want to record riding in the rain. Let me put this down. There we go. Yeah, I ended up buying a pack of tobacco. I'd actually gotten away from that. But, I've been smoking some of these cigarettes recently, the pre-rolled industrial ones, and they really don't agree with me. I need to stop altogether, you know? That was the plan. Move outdoors, stop smoking altogether. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. I'm not sure if it's realistic. I'm gonna try though. It's just while I live indoors and right now I'm just kinda, I wouldn't say stressing, but just, I don't know, being around people, being in a commune, or just around people in general. It's just kind of inherently stressful to some level, even if it's just a small level. But, I don't know, man. I feel like I need some serious alone time. I need to just be out in the woods for like a week in a row without seeing another person or hearing a man-made noise. That'd be nice. It's this one, right? Shopping time. Second supermarket. All out shopping together. I'm hanging out with the girls in here. I gave Rogue a massage. She's chilling out there on the floor. And then I just helped her pick up some of her ingredients from her own apartment. She's cooking in there. I'm just out here smoking a cigarette. I was talking to Rogue, who's chilling on the floor, about the whole stopping smoking thing. I really gotta stop, man. Well, I don't gotta, but I really want to. But I think it's gonna be easier when I'm alone. Just alone in nature. At least that's what I tell myself.
Borsta? Nej, det är för långt. Borstad, jo det är borstad. Är det till din Instagram?
Jeg kigger på det grønne der nu.
Ja.
Og jeg skal gerne lave det færdigt, og jeg har lavet lag på og lag, og så bare sådan, så skal man bruge 7-8 liter mel på at lave det færdigt. Man har sådan, det var allerede færdigt for flere år siden, ikke?
Ja.
Og så har man jo også lige det der, man gerne vil lave, og så er der også det der, man gerne vil lave, og så tager det lidt tid, ikke?
Ja.
Det der billede har jeg været i gang med i over 10 år.
Wow.
Det er virkelig vigtigt, at man kan bruge det til noget. Og hvis du kan lave det om til et slags kort, man kan forholde sig til, hvor der er en udviklingstendens, man kan relatere til sig selv, og så reflektivt forstå nogle ting omkring sig selv. Det giver ligesom en helt anden dybde i forståelsen.
Ja.
Og så kan man sige sådan, at det er jo ligesom der er så utrolig meget, som ligesom skal hænge sammen, for at den bliver perfekt. Du kan ikke rigtig lave nogen fejl.
Mm.
Hvis du laver fejlen, så skal du til at vælge på et tør, så skal du male den anden farve op, og så skal du til at lægge den farve igen, ikke? Så det vil være meget nemmere, at du ikke laver nogen fejl.
Guys, I have had such an eventful and sociable day. Hanging out with the guys, hanging out with the girls, hanging out with Tobias. I'm starting to understand his art more and what he's trying to do with the documentary as well. Just had a great day. I did not whatsoever really look at the electrical project. That's because I had some issues when I tested it yesterday. I know I need to pick it apart completely, and yeah. Tomorrow, or yeah, in like 12 hours, I gotta go to the welfare office. I was supposed to go yesterday. I missed it. But hopefully everything is gonna be fine. The check is gonna clear and all that. I'm gonna get on voice chat now, talk to Stony. But yeah, hanging out with Rogue and Amelia, it was so nice. I wasn't actually even really interested in eating with them, but it's just like I was helping out and the food smelled so great. I was like, oh, actually, I'd like to eat with you guys. And we just had a nice time hanging out for most of the day in the kitchen, actually. This is such a great place, man. I kind of don't want to leave this place. I kind of want to keep a bit of a base here, if that's possible, you know? While I still work out my equipment, and now I figured out I gotta completely cover my electric unicycle in Velcro so I can fit bags on there attached with Velcro. It's a very powerful Velcro, this stuff. It holds on to the power pads with like all those forces of torque when you brake and accelerate. So the Velcro is basically gonna be able to hold up. I tried like pushing down on one of the power pads, pulling on it, and you basically can't remove it without the spatula you got for when you ordered the Grisla pads. And taking that into consideration, I'm going to be able to offload an enormous amount of bulk and weight off my backpack into the electric unicycle. So I guess while I'm kind of optimizing the final logistical parts of, traveling around with like damn near 50 kilos of equipment, I guess I hate having to postpone constantly, guys. Like, I fucking hate it. Like, I want this channel to be interesting right the fuck now. But the thing is, I don't have a trust fund. I don't have sponsors or anything. And, some things take time. And, like, organically coming up with solutions to problems. Like, I didn't even come up with a solution with the Velcro on the electric unicycle for putting bags on there. That was actually Harvey, who is it's his room, this place. But man, everything is looking up. Everything is looking great. It's just a matter of exactly when I end up outdoors. It's definitely gonna be soon, but guys, I cannot promise you that I'm gonna be out of here by the 1st of this month. I'm probably gonna start doing like more camping and test runs and stuff like that. To identify issues and solutions, but I'm not exactly ready to move out with the amount of equipment that I have right now because it's simply too much. It's too heavy. The backpack is like 30, 28 kilos, something like that, and it's just too fucking heavy. Like, I'm gonna get permanent knee damage type heavy. But I borrowed this book. It's not really my type of theme. I don't know why. It just immediately seemed like something I should probably check out. It's sexual culture in ancient Greece. I'm not really interested in having sex or being in a relationship or anything right now. And I don't think this is smut either. I don't think that's the case, but I'm sure I'm probably gonna learn something about both of course, the sexual culture in ancient Greece, but maybe just about sexuality in general. It's such a large part of human behavior and psychology and evolution. So much of what we do comes down to sex in one aspect or another. So let's see. I hope it's gonna be an interesting read. Gonna get on voice chat with Stony now. Good night, guys.